What was the other thing I was gonna say?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Retired Renovators. We're in the middle of building our front porch for our historic home, and our last video I showed you how we tore apart the concrete part of the porch, and in this video I just want to show you quickly how we built the wood frame that we're using to set the wood on the porch. So we're going from a concrete porch to a wooden front porch, and let me tell you, this whole thing has been way harder than I expected, but we're so happy with how it has turned out, and we can't wait to show it to you. So come on, let's go. If you could take just a minute and hit the subscribe button, we'd really appreciate it. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it just lets us know that you're enjoying the channel. So just take a moment, hit subscribe, we really would appreciate it.